locked. I forgot to put my key. Is anybody here? What's that? To open this door, you must answer 5 questions on set. Good luck. I cannot answer it.
Naila, what happened?
Look at this.
Oh, I will help you.
Prove the following identities. A. C union A intersect B union A equal to A union bracket B intersect C bracket. For the first task, we copy paste the question, and this B intersect B union A convert to A union B, which means these two is same. Then we factorize the A into A union C intersect B. Then we just same it with the answer. For question B, A intersect B union A intersect B prime equal to A. We copy paste the question, and this properties is in inverse law, which B union B prime equal to universal, and A intersect universal equal to A. For question C, A intersect B union A union B prime bracket prime equal to B. First, we put this prime in times like ini. Then equal to A intersect B union bracket A prime intersect B prime prime. This we just copy back, and A prime intersect B prime prime equal to B. Then we put the B in front and factorize them, so it become B intersect A union A prime. This is inverse law, which convert to universal. So the answer is B intersect universal become B. So proof. We continue to question number 2. For the question, X have element of A, C, and the element of Y is A, B, E, F. For the X, we underline the pink color and Y blue color. The question is, write down the element of X cross Y. Okay. For X cross Y, we first put the curly bracket and bracket. First we take the A for element X and A for element Y. A, then AB, then AE, AF. For the then take the element C, CA, CB, CE, and CF. Don't forget to put the curly bracket. Then move to B, Y cross S. Just the same as the A. We just put the curly bracket and start with Y. A. This blue is Y, ni X. A, C, then move to B. This I'm found my mistake when writing the answer. So B, A, B, C, then E, A, EC, FA, FC. Okay, that's the answer. And move to C. X squared. X squared equal to X cross X. X cross X, which we just take the element X, which A, then X, A, C, and X, A, C. Oh, sorry, my mistake. Okay, so A, A, AC, CA, CC. For the last question, what could you say about two sets A and B if A cross B equal to B cross A? Stop. So the answer is they are equal, which A equal to B automatically.
Alright, for the equation A, we discuss about power set. Power set, we will know the value of power set by description if sets A have n elements, so we know the value by this defining 2 with the power of n, which n is the amount of element in the sets. So the question, if A equals have element 1, 2, 3, 4, write down power of A by listing its element and what is the value of power A. So by this question, we have 4 elements in set A. Thus, we know the value is 2 and element n is equal to 4. So thus we have 16 subsets in the set. So first we will put for null element, or we can put null element like this, and we will put a single element in this subset with 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we proceed with 2 elements in other subsets, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4, and furthermore we will put 3 element in other subset. For the next subset, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, and lastly we'll put all the elements of set A in another subset, and we will put semicolon at the front and at the back. And for the question, what is the value of power A? As I said, by this question to n, which n is the element, we found that the element is 4, so 2 with the power of 4, and we have 16. So here's the answer. For question B, if set A have 5 elements, what is the value of power of set A? We put here, as we put the element as the power, so 2 power of 5 we get 32. And for question C, if A have 10 elements, what is the value of power A? So we put 2 here as normal and put the 10 as the n, and we get 1024. For question 4, they ask us to draw a Venn diagram showing this set with all the elements entered into the appropriate region. Universal have the element of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. P has element of C, F. Q have element of A, C, D, E, F, H, and R have the element C, D, H. As we can see, PQR is the subset of U, and for PR is the subset of Q. Thus, universal, we will pick universal as the universal lah. Contain the element of P and R. We will draw as the bigger diagram. This we will locate as Q. as P and R have intersection of C. Thus, we draw a circle with an intersection. The intersection is C, so we will put C here. And for P and R, this is P, this is R. After locate the position of the circle, we will fill the element for each set. So for P, we still have F. For R, we still have element D and also H. For the remaining of element Q is A and also E. And the remaining of B and G for the universal we'll put here. B and also G. That's all for Venn diagram. For B question, which says P, Q, R are proper subset of other, write your answer using the C symbol. From here we have summarized P and R is the subset of Q. So this is the answer. And then for C, P and R are disjoint set. True or false? Disjoint means the circles are separate from each other. This is disjoint. So here here they are intersect with each other. So the answer will be false. Now we move to question 5. Sketch Venn diagram that shows the universal set U, the set A and B, and a single element X in each of the following cases. For question A, X is the element of A, and A also is the subset of B. Subset means inside the B. So we will put B, and subset A is the subset of B. This is A subset B, and X is the element of A. So inside here is the X. And also put U as the universal. For question B, X is the element of A. A and B are disjoint. They are spread from each other. So when we have two circles or ugly circle, which are disjoint, and X is the element of A. We put here as A and this is B. So A have the element of X. B have no element. And don't forget to put universal. For question C, X is the element of A. X is also element of B. But A is not subset of B, and B is not subset of A. So they don't belong to each other, but they will have intersection. So we have A with element X, but B have also element X. Thus, we put intersection for A and B. And don't forget to put universal.